I'm Yasmin, creative design here at Sizzix, and today I'm going to show you how to jazz up this bag. And the great thing about this make is that you don't have to use a sewing machine, so it's really easy and simple to do. So here's how I created it. So the first step is to take your plate, turn it upside down and draw around it with a pencil. This will be the guideline for when you put all your elements on. Once you've done that, you just want to prep your material. So using some Bonder web and then placing on top of the material, you want to face it down so it's on the textured side. And then grabbing your iron, just iron on. Now that I've backed all my material with Bonder web, I'm just going to cut all my elements out. The dies that I'll be using for this make are bouquet foliage, rustic bouquet, and the letter Y of sassy serif, just so I can make my bag a bit more personal to me. So placing my material down and the Bonder web facing upwards, I'm just going to put through my Big Shot machine. So now that I've got all my elements, I just want to add some detail into my flowers. So with some white thread and a needle, I'm just going to tie a small knot at the end. And then using my scissors, I'm just going to snip the end off. So grabbing my flower, just punching through the centre, I'm just going to thread through. And again, poking through the other side. And again. This just adds a nice little detail to my bag. So the final prep is just to peel back the Bonder web, and you will need to do this for each element. Going back to my bag that I had earlier, that I drew the circle around, I'm just going to iron on my elements that I've cut out. So starting with the foliage, I'm just going to place down where I want it on the line. And then just to brighten it up, I've cut out these little yellow buds, which I'm just going to place randomly on the design. And then finally, to finish off, I'm just going to place my letter right in the centre. And there you have it, your personalised bag. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to visit our website where you'll find more ideas and more inspiration.